The Story of Sadako Sasaki, and no step-by-step from a Japanese expert, how to fold a traditional origami crane. Sadako Sasaki was a 2-year-old girl who experienced the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. At the age of 12, she died of leukemia, which some people in Hiroshima called a cancer disease. Atom bomb cancer-related diseases are mainly caused by the radioactive fallout that fell on Sadako and Hiroshima on the day of the explosion. Sadako's story is just one of many stories from Hiroshima, but it is one that still resonates with many people today. Sadako and her family lived just over a mile from where the atomic bomb was dropped. When the little boy sped towards the city of Sadako, a white light appeared all over the city and a loud noise was heard from several kilometers away. Suddenly the entire city was in flames and black radio waves started raining from the sky. Sadako escaped the fire with her mother and brother. By all appearances, Sadako was a happy and healthy child. He was known as a fast runner and was popular among his classmates. Therefore, when Sadako was 12 years old, she started showing symptoms of leukemia and had to go to the hospital. The Red Cross Youth Club arranges for Sadako and the other children to go to the hospital to make origami cranes. It is believed that origami cranes help patients well. Sadako's father, Shigeo, went to the hospital to visit her. When she asked him, "Dad, why did they give us origami cranes?" Shigeo answered Sadako's question by telling her the Japanese legend of the crane. Japanese folklore says that a crane can live for 1,000 years, and a person who folds an origami crane for each year of a crane's life will have their wish granted. The story of the origami cranes inspired Sadako. She had a new passion and purpose to have her wish of being well again granted by folding 1,000 origami cranes. Sadako began collecting hundreds of pieces of paper for her cranes. Sadako quickly filled her room with hundreds of colorful origami cranes of various sizes. After folding 1,000 cranes, Sadako expressed her wish to recover. Unfortunately, Sadako's wish did not come true. Despite her illness, she did not lose his confidence in folding paper cranes. Sadako started folding more cranes to forgive her father's debt, which was his new idea. Sadako continued folding cranes, some as small as a grain of rice, until the end of her life. Sadako died at the age of 12. Surrounded by her family, with 1,300 origami cranes hanging in her room. If you find this video informative and interesting, please encourage me by subscribing to this YouTube channel to make more interesting videos for you, and do not forget to like and share the video.